Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. To say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. And I have to get the civil justice immediate in front of entire human kingdom, in front of all nations. So I will quickly read through the civil justice write up so that we all can be on the same page. USA Roman Province, Jesuit, State of Wisconsin, State of Illinois, State of Michigan, State of New York, State of New England, State of Maryland, State of Louisiana, State of Missouri, State of California, State of Oregon. Department of Justice created. COVID-19 plague worldwide is proved as of February 22, 2021 is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. So victims of abuse, patients, billings, claims process for medical finance compensation billing at fault found guilty with fatal negligence, domestic violence. The domestic violence types are breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types. So USA Republica prostitutes President Trump 2016 to 2020, GOP Mitch McConnell, Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh created Robocall Crime 1 Count 1 Poverty Mandate and Robocall Crime 2 Count 2 Finance Disability Mandate, and took away $4,500 in October 2018 along with to steal the Supreme Court Judge Rob, the rightful belongs to me, and Robocall Crime 3 Count 3 is Finance Debt Mandate since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020. Debt as of February 2021 is $10,000 plus dollars. So I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed the true criminals, creators of Robocall Poverty Mandate to USA government. For fatal negligence and domestic violence of state of Wisconsin, the criminals are the Wisconsin Domestic Violent Criminal 8, Prostitute 8 is USA FCC, and Wisconsin USA Domestic Violent Criminal 9, Prostitute 9 is USA World Wide Web, and Wisconsin USA Domestic Violent Criminal 10 is Prostitute 10 is Spectrum. Then USA Wisconsin Domestic Violent Criminal 11, Prostitute 11, Utility Electricity. Then Wisconsin USA Domestic Violent Criminal 2, 12, Prostitute 12, AT&T. Then Wisconsin USA Domestic Violent Criminal 13, Prostitute 13 is US Cellular. Then Wisconsin USA Domestic Violent Criminal 14, Prostitute 14 is Hawaii. Then Wisconsin USA Domestic Violent Criminal 15, Prostitute 15 is NASA. So I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want each of the domestic violent criminals of state of Wisconsin with fatal negligence to pay tax-free $5,000 each, that to be tax-free $40,000 direct deposit to my bank account. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want Pope Francis to pay tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account. And thank you all for your time, my dear fellow mankind, and I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. And I must get the civil justice, because it is the USA who created the poverty mandate for me, the robocall, right? So USA have to pay the price. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.